Hi, so we're in CS6 Illustrator and I'm going to show you some other things that you can do. I've drawn these shapes with a pen tool and I want to actually show you how to use the gradients and the stroke and a variable width to do some designs. So I've selected this shape here and I am going to actually put some weight on the stroke here. And what I'd like to do is put gradient on the stroke. And I can select this right here. I can modify my stroke and actually change out some colors and add another okay, so that is the gradient I'm working with right here for this. And then what I'm going to do is come over here to this tool, to the width tool, and I'm going to select that. And what this is going to do is I'm actually going to be able to modify and change the appearance by pulling and sliding the toggles about, and just working with this to see. You can pinch it, you can pull it out, can really customize the way you want this to look. Okay, so that is a sample of that. The next one is going to be this right here. Again, I'm selecting this. I've already made this with a pen tool. I'm going to put some width on the stroke here, like this, or like you can just drop down and do that. And the other thing that I'm going to do here is I wanted to actually cap those and round those caps, but that's fine for now. Let's just focus on this, and I'm going to change out the gradient, but this time I'm going to make it a monochromatic gradient. And I can move those sliders around, change the amount of opacity, and you see the location, changing the location. And I can change the stroke. Do you see that? I'm changing the applies to the gradient within, along, or across. Okay, so we're selecting across. All right, so and I can maybe make this one a little different if I want. I've got to have that stroke there. Okay, and maybe I'm going to apply it along. Okay. And that isn't even really messing with this variable, the width, where we can extend the entire thing, blow the entire thing up by holding and dragging. Selecting an area and really, manipulating it, overemphasizing it, underemphasizing it. And that's just, you know, customizing it. Information is still available inside there. There we go. Just to let you know, you don't lose the information when you stretch it like that. Okay? And then last, I think you get the idea. And then let's do this though. Let's do this one. Actually, I have to select it. And we can add some to the stroke there. And we can have it be like that, a radial. And you can already have some swatches in here, gradient swatches if you want. You can make them and just add them to that. That's another option for you. It might make it, you know, go faster if you're in a hurry, or you just, you know, like to be prepared ahead of time, which is a really great idea to be like that. Okay, so actually get a little closer in on that. And see what that's done is created sort of a highlight there. And again, I can do all kinds of things. I mean, I don't really. You can change the angle. You can do this again and see the difference. See what you like. I'm going to go with that one, and then I'm going to go over here to this tool, and I'm going to expand this, and I'm going to make this a little bit thinner right there. Hey, that's too thin. It really is something you could just play with, and there's no right or wrong on this kind of thing. So that's what I wanted to show you, and I hope you have fun with that and play with these tools and see what you can come up with.